Hello everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I want to show you how you can easily update firmware on your TP-Link Tapo C310 camera. So first click on the gear icon to open settings and now scroll all the way down until you see firmware update. And here click it and here we have update. Now after we click that, wait for it to update and it will take about 2 to 5 minutes. And as you guys can see, now our firmware is up to date. Thank you guys for watching, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.